Hey guys, okay, I just want to do a quick video today replacing the spark plug on this Sportsman 570 EFI. It's the 2020 model. This is the spark plug that it's recommended to use. So it's 98597 or MR7F by NGK. And first thing we're going to do is gap this spark plug. So the manual recommends 0.7 to 0.8 millimeters. So all we're going to do that is sometimes it comes out of the box and it's all like squished down or, you know, like pushed down. This one I already gapped properly, but what you'll do is you get a feeler gauge like I have here. And this one happens to be 0.762 millimeters, so sort of in between, you know, 0.7, 0.8. So you're going to slide it in there and you're going to want to make sure it just, basically it's touching the electrode and the tip there just a tiny bit as you slide it in. And that's how you know it's set properly. A lot of these feeler gauges come with a little sort of pry bar type thing here you can use to adjust it. But I've already done that and this one fits in nicely, so that's the proper gap. So the next what you got to do is just take the seat off and I'll show you how to get the spark plug out. Okay, so to take the seat off, just lift up on it. And I've got this box here, so I sort of have to move it back and then out like that. But yeah, you can see it's just got these sort of pins that push down into these rubber spots, and then these little tabs here grab into there. Next thing you're going to want to do is just remove the air cleaner top here, and that just removes this tube because the spark plug's right there. So this tube is, you can probably do it without it, but it's really in the way. So you just take that out of the way. Okay, I'm trying to give you the best view possible for this. But there's the spark plug cap right there. So this is the front of the machine, there's a gas tank. So there's the spark plug cap. So what you're going to want to do is reach down in there, give it a little bit of a twist and pull up on it. And then this tube comes out. Just tuck that out of the way. And then this is the tool here for removing the spark plug. This would have come with the machine. It's in the little tool pouch. It's nice because it's got the rubber grommet that grabs onto the spark plug here, which you're really going to want to need because the spark plug on this is deep down into this hole. So you'll see it grabs onto it when you're putting the new one in and taking the old one out. If you don't have this one for whatever reason that came with the machine, just a 5/8 socket with the rubber grommet will work as well. You just have to pick the right extension that's going to fit down in there. But anyway, we're going to use this one today. So I'm just going to drop it down in there. You can feel it touch the top of the spark plug. Just push it down, and then I just use these pliers that it came with just so I can get a little bit of a bite on the top of that, and that's all you need. It doesn't have to be super tight. And I'm just going to unscrew it with my hand here. And I think you're supposed to change the plugs on this every 100 hours, or at least inspect them every 100 hours. So you're just looking for, you know, carbon buildup, fouling on them. But it is good just to change them every once in a while. So that's the old one there, if you can see that. And then we're going to put the new one in. So we're going to drop it down there like that. And down here. And you can feel it threading in. And then we'll go till we can't turn it with our hands anymore. And then I'm going to use the same pliers there to tighten it down. It's good. I don't know the torque spec, but again, just use common sense. The new spark plug will be a little bit spongy, if it makes sense, because you just have to push down this washer a little bit. So just snug it up and you'll be fine. And then get the spark plug cap here that you tucked out of the way. Put it down through. Just push it onto the cap there. And I just give it just a little twist to make sure it's seated down on there. And it creates a waterproof seal so water can't get in that compartment, which is nice. And then you're good to go. So at this point, just give it a start to make sure it is working. we'll just put our air cleaner back on. And seat. That's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching.